Um, 26 watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And thank you so much for tuning in. Now we got HEX. HEX has a bullish divergence. See that? Are we headed for another decorrelation? Higher high, lower high, lower high, higher high. I remain bullish in HEX. Right now we're trading at 2.5 cents. We're probably going to head up and retest this 2.69. If we break the 2.69, we are probably, it's looking like we are going to head higher to 4.6. And then if we hit that 4.6, then we are headed straight to our target of 18.7 cents, coinciding with maybe a setup for the pulse chain launch. So, what do you guys think? Do you guys think that we are going to have a pulse chain launch taking us to 18.6 cents? And then maybe dumping after that. Is the pulse chain launch going to be buy the rumor, sell the news? I think it is. I think it always is. Buy the rumor, sell the news is pretty much the rule in crypto. So that means we could go to 18, pull back to 10, sell the news, straight to all-time highs. That's a possibility, but we've been respecting the support and resistance. We have our levels. We have a 4.6. Then we got a 6.9. This could be maybe the pulse chain launch target. Maybe the 18. The 18 is it's not going straight up to 18. There has to be points of resistance on the way. Maybe we could look. Maybe we could be looking at a testnet V3 pump to 4.7 consolidation, and then up to 7 cents. Pulse chain launches, dump back to 4.7, or then we just head higher. Pulse chain launches, and then we're up to 18.8 cents, and then sell the news back down to 10 cents. Is that how it's going to play out? Probably not. Just because things usually don't play out exactly as predicted, unless you predict multiple scenarios. And then it doesn't really matter. So that's my guess, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's see what you guys are thinking in the chat. Is pulse chain going to be buy the rumor, sell the news? What's our target at V3 launch? And what is our target at pulse chain launch? What is our pulse chain launch target? Good question. Send the super chat or send a regular chat. Up to you. Meat Sack 1.0. Welcome to the show, Meat Sack. Haven't seen you here. Hope you like. Hope you subscribe. Hope you go to furufinance.com. Read all my articles, like them, and then book your free one-on-one. But the more it moves up, the more it will go down. It's less likely that a big move up continues. For HEX, the more it moves up, the more it will go down. True. Reflexive system, that is true. It's less likely that a big move up continues. But we haven't had a big move up. Like once we're at a big move up, we could say it's less likely, but we really didn't have a big move. I mean, even Bitcoin didn't have a big move. I mean, for a bear market and for always going down, this is a big move. But I guess we've been so wrecked for so long that even this feels like a big move. But I don't think this is a big move. During the bear market, we were sort of spoiled. But yeah, maybe you're right. Furu coming on the show later today for TikTok Mania. Absolutely am. And I'm very excited. And you guys better tune in. Let's make this the most watch RH Max show in history. RH Max, what was your peak viewership? How many viewers concurrently was your biggest show? Um, but yeah, Chad sees many Chads, but only one Donner Chad. Okay. So yeah, that's really it for the well, it's not it. We got more stuff for you. Next up we got Hex Daily Stats. Check Hex Daily Stats on the daily. 6.281 payout per T share. If you had T shares, you got paid 6.281 Hex for each T share, which is awesome. Um, 102 change in current holders and 47 change in current stakers. Not bad. That is great. Triple digit number in current holders. So 102 people onboarded, or maybe a little bit less if it's new wallets, but that's definitely a lot of people onboarded today during the bear market, which is obviously great news. And yeah, inching in on that 118 current stakers. How many stakers do you guys think we're going to have by beginning of 2024, which is going to be, I think, in my opinion, the beginning of the next bull run? I think we could have over 200,000, and then it's like sort of like goes parabolic as price goes up, because there is no better method of onboarding than price appreciation. So we could maybe have 1 million stakers total. I mean, current at the end of 2024. That that is definitely something that could happen, depending on how the adoption plays out. But what do you guys think? 45 watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and subscribe to RH Max's channel, because I'm going to be there at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Uh, and Meat Sack says, you're right. I was looking at ETH moving up more when I'm used to seeing. So ETH has been going down less and moving up more relative to Bitcoin. And people are attributing that to the Beijing whatever, where the stakers had to lock up their money in smart contracts and they're not unlocking it. And it might not be fair that they keep delaying the unlock. It might not be fair to people that staked, because they want their money back. But as for price, it's very good, because it's very smart not to unlock right now, because right now we are in the bear market and people like selling bottoms and buying tops. So if they wait till ETH is, approaching at least all-time highs, I think there's going to be a lot less people interested in selling. Um, so that might be something to consider if you're an ETH developer, but obviously it might not be ethical. I don't know. You have to look into that. But as far as that, also could sort of translate to the Mt. Gox coins, the Ross Ulbricht coins, and all the coins. If they were smart, if they cared about the price, they should unlock when there's serious price appreciation. But yeah, that's awesome. Thanks, bro. And crypto THOS. Hey, brother, when did you get into crypto? What's a little bit of your background in finance? Great question. And you could hear all of that at my website, but we'll take a look here, furufinance.com. And then you go to schedule your free call, which you should do, obviously. And hopefully, it'll be meaningful. Maybe you'll even book a one-on-one, or, take the course. There's a live course going on every Sunday now with the patrons. So it's between 10 and 30, depending on your tier. You too can join the course live and watch the replay of the previous courses. But I majored in accounting. I studied economics, finance, and business in school. So I took accounting. I took the whole CPA track, but I didn't take the CPA. So I did accounting 1, 2, intermediate 1, 2, and then advanced corporate tax and I think regular tax accounting. Those were the courses. Then I took principles of finance and corporate finance, and I took macro microeconomics. So that's my background. It is cool that I have a background in that because most people in crypto don't. And these things matter when it comes to cryptocurrency. So um, I sort of integrate that, and I think that is my unique point, whatever. But yeah, that's really my background. And totally, totally book your free call, or you could book a paid session if you want more than 10 minutes. But I mean, honestly, it would probably be better to do the 10-minute one and see if you need it or see what's worth your while. But if you go here, you could pay me $100 and you could get a 1 hour session, or you could become a patron and you could get some serious discounts. Like if you're paying 10 a month, you get 30% off your first and then 15 on all others, and then 20 plus all the other discounts, benefits. You get 40 off the first one. And gold, you get 50 and 25% discount on every one. So might want to consider that. You could even game the system. You just you become a patron for 1 month and then just totally ditch it. But obviously, I don't want you to do that because that would make me sad, bro. That would make me sad. But I'll link to the Patreons here. Website's furufinance.com. You can check that out. But yeah, thanks for asking the question. And